in Uttarakhand politics, ND Tiwari, we can't fulfill his void in Uttarakhand politics. Only leader CM, he was the only CM who completed his 5-year tenure in 2002 to 2007. Khanduriji lost election. Harish Rawat can't be fulfilled his tenure. Even we were thinking about the Trivendra Singh Rawat. Unfortunately, he was abandoned by the BJP High Command. So the ND Tiwari was the famous leader of Uttarakhand, and he was the CM of UP as well. He was thrice CM of UP, and he is the only leader who represented two state head, and he was also a governor of Andhra Pradesh. The allegation made him sexual allegations. He was involved in some illegal activities. Unfortunately, he could not become Prime Minister in 1991. He lost his Nainital seat from Uttarakhand, Nainital Parliament seat, by the smaller margin, and the weakest candidate was pitted against him. So the reason behind he could not become Prime Minister was the luck in his favor. Fortunately, PV Narasimha now became the Prime Minister of country. So in ND Tiwari legacy, his biological son Rohit Sekhar, his name is Rohit Sekhar type. So he wanted to find his father legacy, whether after ND Tiwari ji died 2017 assembly election. So ND Tiwari ji was lobbying for his son to get the ticket from BJP. He joined BJP after that, in presence of Amit Shah and National High Command of BJP in Delhi. So unfortunately, Rohit Sekhar could not find his ticket in 2017 assembly election. Now BJP is grabbing his legacy of ND Tiwari ji. He rename of the industrial after ND Tiwari, as the BJP done in past in name of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue you see 182 meter, something like that, in Gujarat Kevadia area. Because Congress did not confer the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Bharat Ratna in early phases. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the freedom fighter who defeated the foreigner.